Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Samsung has added support for home screen landscape mode to Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8 devices in the latest version of Samsung Experience. The feature was previously exclusive to the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung also recently added the Galaxy S9's video wallpaper feature to older devices. The latest update to Samsung Experience has seen Samsung add home screen landscape mode support to Samsung Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus, and Galaxy Note 8 devices, according to XDA developers. This feature was originally available only on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Previously, the home screen of the above devices could only be used in portrait mode, even if the user had been running an app in landscape mode. To enable landscape mode support, you will need to go to Settings, then Display, then Home Screen. If your device has received the feature, you can set the Portrait Mode Only option to off.